In honor of National Donut Day, I decided to fly 16 hours to Melbourne, Australia to visit the Doughtnut Festival at the Queen Victoria Market. My sister, cousin, and grandma were kind enough to join me on this endeavor. We made it! Like I said, we flew down here to attend a donut festival. Whoa, that is crazy. Would you try it? There were so many great options to choose from. But you know what they say, when in Rome, eat the Roman food. I know these don't seem Australian, but they actually are, and they were recognized as the best donuts in Melbourne. And look at this line. The main thing they do is this Rasplum jam-filled donut. That's right, I said Rasplum. Rasplum is a raspberry-flavored jam commonly used in Australian bakeries. Hi, 5 for 10 as well. So what makes them the American kitchen donuts? Oh, okay. They're good though? Best donuts in Melbourne?
Yes.
Nice, okay, cool, thanks. Ooh, yeah.
Good.
Good? Is it hot?
Yeah.
Wow. Mine are amazing hot.
Yeah, mine are really warm.
Ooh, are yours hot, honey?
I'm pretty warm now. Yeah, this is good.
Yeah, let's see if I can open this. Oh, this is kind of hot to touch.
Yeah.
Oh! How do you do it, Michael?
I have high tolerance for pain.
It's not burning your fingers?
I can't hold it long enough to get it up to.
I'll try it again.
There.
Gotta eat while it's high.
Oh my gosh, I'm melting down.
That was good. Mmm. That's so warm. That is awesome. I really like that. I think it's raspberry.
Literally melts in your mouth.
That's so good.
I'm just eating my third one now. I mean, this is so good.
I'm 2 donuts down. Got 3 to go. I don't know if I'm gonna eat them all right now, but
You're addicting.
yeah.
I know
Wow.
why they say the best donuts ever.
In Melbourne.
And Melbourne.
I'm glad you mentioned this, dude.
Good. As the sun sets on our adventure down under, we say goodbye to the lovely city of Melbourne. We had a lovely time and ate some delicious donuts. We will miss you dearly and hope to be back soon. It's just so expensive to fly down here for one day. Just kidding. We didn't fly down here just for donuts, although that's something I would do. We're here for a 13-day tour through Melbourne and Sydney in Australia, plus a bit of adventure on the North Island of New Zealand. Here's a sneak peek of the adventures to come. Nice, wow.
Riding the plane. There is a good-looking man, and there's another good-looking man. And I'm their old grandma. No?
That's awesome. I should have you film more often.
Yeah, right.
That was funny.